Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a table in Wix. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Using tables in Wix can help your content stand out and give your site a structured, professional look for visitors. First, navigate to the left side of your Wix editor and click on the Add Elements tab, which you can recognize by a plus icon. This is your main toolkit for enhancing your page content. Once inside, you'll find a variety of elements, but for today's purpose, go to the List section. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Tables. Here, you can choose from different table types, each with unique styles and designs. Take your time browsing and select the one that best matches the look and feel you want for your site. After selecting your preferred table design, you have two ways to place it on your page. Click on it to add it instantly or drag it to your desired location. This flexibility makes positioning quick and hassle-free. Once the table is in place, it's time to customize it. Simply click on the table and you'll see several options. Click on Manage Table to start editing. This will let you add or remove columns so your data fits perfectly. If you want your content to be dynamic and easy to update, you'll need to connect your table to a content management system, CMS. Clicking on the table again will reveal even more customization options. For deeper personalization, click on the gear icon to open the table settings. If you'd like to change the structure, go to the Layout option, which allows you to tweak the table's appearance to match your needs. For visual changes, use the Design button to explore new templates or modify the existing style. If you want even more control over the appearance, click Customize Design to fine-tune every detail. And there you have it. So that's basically how you can create a table in Wix. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.